Well, so you want to be a homeless porcupine, or your favorite anime, or even a Marvel superhero, and want to flex with your friends.
All right, dog, here we go. Excuse me, pardon me. Are you the cool children?
Yeah, who are you?
I ain't got no license, but I still drive this sports car, bitch. Your favorite rapper ain't even doing it like Lil Tay.
Oh, shut up, kid.
So today, I'm going to walk you through how to get custom avatars in Virtual Droid.
Love you, hon. But for fuck's sake.
So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Now open your Virtual Droid. Click here to menu. Now change avatar, and select Droid option. Now click here to add new avatar. You can type anything in the name option. Now we need to put avatar link here. Well, to get a free avatar, just search for Virtual Droid Skins on YouTube, and you will get thousands of video. And in the video description, you'll see this type of avatar link. So, you just need to copy this avatar link from the video description and put it in the avatar URL section. Now click here to add and select this avatar. As you can see, it's loading, and now we are done. Well, if you have any questions or problems related to avatars, or maybe you can't find your favorite avatar in the YouTube videos, you can leave a comment below or join my Discord server. I'll try to help you out. For now,